We'll be getting back the communication from these other people we've written to, and we want to get to the bottom, and whoever will be involved will have to be answerable.
Still on the same, police early today confronted protesters at Freedom Corner in Nairobi as they staged demos over what they term as the loss and misappropriation of COVID-19 funds and donations.
Well, this happened as donors threatened to stop aid towards fighting the pandemic in the country.
The protesters dubbed the demo Arrest COVID-19 Thieves and started off at the Freedom Corner here in Nairobi. But they were soon dispersed by police. Law enforcers saying it was against the Public Health Act to hold a gathering of more than 15 people.
We as Kenyans, as much as we stand with our doctors, we also are concerned about our own lives. If I get sick right now, that doctor who's treating me is probably infected. And they're infected because our own government does not care enough.
The protest was coming amid indicting reports of possible mismanagement of coronavirus containment funds running into hundreds of millions of shillings. The protest was to demand accountability after information emerged that multi-million healthcare companies may have been involved in the wanton mismanagement and diversion of corona millions.
Kenyan government knows the thieves, and it is time they must arrest these thieves. We do not want to die in our hospitals. Hospitals are run by money, and if this money is being stolen, we will not have hospitals.
Activists chose to proceed with the demo, citing that no authority was willing to accept their notification of the demo. About 5 protesters were arrested and bundled into a police Land Cruiser. And in Nakuru, civil societies and human rights activists are asking President Kenyatta to address the allegations of corruption and ensure transparency in government. They asked the government agencies, including the county government of Nakuru, to publish names of companies and individuals awarded contracts for COVID-19 related commodities and services.
In the fullness of time, if the legal procedures are not going to apply, the people will invoke Article 1 of the Constitution. We are going to say people's power, and Article 37 of the Constitution shows us what to do in such circumstances.
Fellow Kenyans, don't riot, but instead let us be told where we can take these thugs. We do citizens arrest. Just tell us honestly where you want them. If you want them in Lamu, if you want them in Mandela, if you want them in Nakuru, or just near Ruiru where there's a very big prison, we'll bring them. We shall observe social distancing, so we shall use the big trailers, 40-feet trailers.
2 key donors have since threatened to withdraw funds running into billions of shillings set aside for Kenya following the latest COVID-19 scandal linked to a government agency. The Global Fund and USAID are threatening to withdraw funds that were to support HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria programs